Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra cannot receive calls. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now here again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, then the next solution is swipe down, and from here check if you have turned on the do not disturb, then turn it back off, and after turning off this option or feature you will start receiving phone calls and text messages. So after turning off do not disturb, if you are still not receiving calls, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then here again click on this reset settings option here to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope it will fix your problem, but if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is reinsert your SIM. So take out your SIM from your mobile and then reinsert it, and after reinserting the SIM your calling issue will be resolved. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.